Hi, I want to show you how to customize this Google search bar widget on Google Pixel 9a. Open up your settings first and tap on your profile on the top. Then from recommended, switch to all services and select section Search Assistant and Voice. After that, if you go through the list, you will see this option to customize search widget. So by default, it will be set to system, but you can manually set light option, and even if you enable dark mode, light Google search bar will remain still. So also you can manually select dark option even with light theme of your phone. Also you can pick this device, and in each option you can change transparency and set custom. Here you can manually choose color and also change its saturation. And of course you can change transparency as well. Now if you want to, you can add some shortcuts such as weather, translate, and so on, or just leave everything like this. You could also tap preview and check how it will look right here. Now to be able to save changes, just click add option and choose add to home screen. So after that, it will be immediately added and you'll be able to use this new Google search bar widget. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.